Okay, so next up would be your blog posts here. Now these are very important for things like search engine optimization. Google looks at a website and says, if you provide consistently valuable and educational content, it's a really good thing because people will start to link back to your website, and Google will look at that and say this website's very informational and popular, and will generally rank higher in search engines. So that's kind of where a blog comes in. Now we just have a test post here. We can go in and delete that or just edit it. So how you make a blog post is when you hit your dashboard. Let's go back to the dashboard here. You're just going to click on posts. Again, add new, whatever you want, all posts. But before we actually do a new blog post, let's go to categories. Now every time you post something, it has to be assigned to a category. So for example, let's say you have something that you've done recently and you want to put it in your latest projects. Just a quick shout out, just a quick, this is what we've done. So let's do a new category called latest projects. Now the slug is the URL friendly version of the name. So what that means is whatever shows up here. So let's just do latest dash projects. No parent, no description, hit add new, and that's it. So we'll come in and we'll actually add a new post. And if you want to, of course, see the post you already have, just hit either posts or all posts. And we just have a test one right now, so that's pretty much all that's up. So we'll come in, we'll hit add new. And it's very straightforward, very similar to all the other pages we've been editing. Give your blog post a title, so, newest project from T. Webster, exclamation mark. And then this is really the bulk of the content. All the content that you want to do is going to be within this area. So we'll just go and put some Libsyn text in for now. It's just for testing purposes. We'll do 4 paragraphs. Let's copy all these, paste it in, and that's essentially it. Okay. So now if you want to add an image to the post, all you have to do is click on wherever you want it. Say I want it right here. Go to add media, and let's just insert this image right here. It's going to be a fairly large image. So what we can do is since it's 1920 pixels, which is pretty large, we can scroll all the way down here and go to size and maybe type in large or medium size. So we'll type medium, insert post, and it's a lot smaller now. So, and we obviously have to assign it to a category, so let's hit latest projects. Keep all this format standard, just don't ever touch that. And now that is pretty much that. So you hit publish, and then what you can do is you can view the post directly. Here you go, it has the URL, it has your entire blog post essentially right here. And that's pretty much it. You got your image, you got your categories on the side, archives, your newest recent posts, and the date. Now if we go to blog here, you'll see that it essentially shows the entire blog post, right, which we don't want. We just want a little snippet because we want to see your past posts too. We want people to actually click in and go to the actual post itself. So how do we do that? What we do is we can edit the post. So let's just say we just want maybe up to here, okay, to just show up on the actual front end here, on the introductory like blog landing page. So what we're going to do is go to this area, right? You don't really have to do that. You don't have to break it up there. You can just put your cursor there, and then you're going to hit this. It's called the insert read more tag. Okay, so when you click that, you hit update. What that's going to do now is go back to blog. It's going to shorten it. So obviously it's a lot better in terms of user experience. This massive post before you even click on it. So this essentially shortens it. You come in and there you go. Here's your post right there. So that's really blog posts in a nutshell. Very straightforward, and yeah.